If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button. Also check out my Facebook page and my website at filipinodadcooks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sushi Bake, or some also call this Sushi Casserole. You're going to need some sushi rice, imitation crab sticks, Japanese mayo, rice vinegar, sour cream, Sriracha sauce, Nori Komi Furikake, Seto Fumi Furikake, Sushi Nori or Seaweed. Let's start with the imitation crab sticks. We're going to use a fork to shape them thin, and then we're going to chop them. You can also use real crab meat. They are more expensive, but the imitation crab works just fine, especially if you're on a tight budget. Then we're adding our Japanese mayo. Sour cream. And a tablespoon of Sriracha sauce. You can add more if you'd like. We're gonna set this aside and work on our sushi rice. When your rice is cooled down, go ahead and add some rice vinegar. Then transfer to a baking dish. Once you flatten the rice, go ahead and add some Nori Furikake. There are a lot of flavors with Furikake, and with this casserole I'm using two kinds. Nori Furikake seasoning is just crunchy seaweed and sesame seeds and some flavoring. Then add the crab mixture. Once it's all nice and flat, I'm adding the second bottle of Furikake. This one is called Seto Furikake. Besides the crunchy seaweed and sesame seeds, this seasoning also includes bonito flakes or dried fermented tuna. The taste is a bit sweet and salty. We're gonna broil this in the oven for just 5 minutes. And then we're gonna slice this in skinny pieces so we can spoon them into our nori or seaweed. My sushi bake or sushi casserole. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I'll see you next time.